Pakistani and Pakistan at the and teach you how to make a speed meter for your bicycle. So you're able, if you have a manual, you can use smaller, no manual. If you have only manual, and this is screen which I put at these arduino and open a serial monitor. Let's see the code first. Speed, this is speed meter, serial print speed, serial setup. Let's see. Great. And so you can see here I attach this switch in pin number 2 and pin read time is 12.5 milliseconds, and now you can see yourself timer, speed and set. So this tool also includes display, LCD display, which I not have right now. And here is the tool. Now check this is a sensor which can act ground and number 3. Now see these are sensor which switch and which has 5 volt and ground of arduino. And now open the serial monitor. With a serial plot line in the serial monitor. Serial monitor. And we can click the name bar this time. Serial monitor is already open. We can refresh them and see when I bring this sensor near the magnet, speed basically it says 0 speed. When I tapping this, not tapping, only this magnet, not shade this all this reach to the magnet, and you can see speeds like that. And you can see his speeds. Don't see 0 speed right now, but now I put in my hand. You can connect this into your bike wheel like a small aluminum magnet, and these are the bidder. Use the bidder reed switch module, and you can use them. And you can also add a liquid display. You can get a maximum speed. This way is only demo video. You can see it's normal land speed. What happening when I pull this thing? Normally 5 volts pull the up the signal pin. When I put this reed switch on, it will pull down the digital pin number 2 of the arduino, and it will arduino inter mini arduino managed inside place with opposite polarity, north south, and do it. Change the software. Change the software. Use same circuit, we change the software, and you can use same this module and same arduino and same serial monitor. Or if you like to add, you can add display, extra display, like a liquid crystal display, to make your top of the wire counting as well as your RPM meter as same code. And this video is the end of the next video.